Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, well I have another challenge lock here, and this one was sent to me and pinned by Den Brass. There is no name on this lock, but it is a Schlage type keyway. And this lock, the key works very smooth. There is no hang-ups in this lock at all. And this is the bitting on the key, and it has a pretty serious bitting on it too, as you can see. But we're going to try to get in it. It is locked up. I'm going to go with top of the keyway with this awesome tension wrench, and I have a couple of picks. I set the handles up on them for that 12-piece high quality stainless steel pick set from Banggood. I've been kind of like testing them out, and so far I'm kind of really liking them. I'll start with the shorter hook right now. See what I can get off of this first. A little click from 3. A couple of clicks from 4, and oh, I just touched 5, and I got a little bit deeper falset. Oh, I had some counter off of 1. I might have got him. Counter right here on 2. Okay, might have got him. Okay, that was 6. Got a little bit deeper of a falset. See what else I can find. Oh. Okay, that was 3, and I still got my falset. I'm getting some counter here off of 5. Alright, I'm going to switch to a deeper hook now. I'm going to go with this one. I think I got something back here that I can't get. Trying to find some more feedback here. I think I get. Oh, there we go. I had some counter off of 5, and we're open on 5. Sweet. Alright, well, let's see what he's got in here for us. I'm going to grab my pinning tray. And I have a key, so we will lock this back up. Alright, let's get this clip off. Alrighty. I'm definitely going to throw a shim in here. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, we have all 6 pins in there. see some nastiness too. We got some definite T-pins. Alright, well, let's see what we got. Bring this over here. Alright, pin 1 we have. I'll grab my tweezers. I have a double spool in 1. We have a serrated type of spool to a T-pin in 2. We have a serrated in 3, maybe to another T-pin. Alright, 4 doesn't want to come out. Let's start from this side. Let's go with 6. Alright, here we go with 6. We have a serrated spool. 5, we have a serrated T-pin. Oops, let me put this one over here. And I'm going to try to get 4 out of there. Okay, 4 is a pin and pin. A serrated pin and pin in 4. I'm going to put them down here. I was going to put the springs in there, but let's put these down here. Because that pin and pin didn't fit there. I like using the other little pinning mat a little better than this one. Alright, well, up here we can see he has everything threaded. 1 through 6, all threaded. Okay, let's see what he has up here. Get rid of the shim. Alright, let's see what he's got up top. Get the focus first. Alright, there we go. Alright, number 1. We have a double spool. And a copper spring. Number 2 is a deep spool. Really deep. Another copper spring. Another, well, we have a serrated spool in 3. Another copper spring. They're all the same so far. Another spool in 5, or excuse me, 4. Another copper spring. Yeah, we'll go this way. Number 6 is a triple spool to a T-pin. Yeah, all the springs are the same so far, all copper springs, and we have a serrated, very well serrated in 5. And yep, all copper springs. And I don't think we got up here. No, nothing done up here. No, nothing. Okay. Alright, let me show you what he's got here for pins. Alright. So we have a double spool, key pin 1, a double spool up top in the driver. We have a serrated T-pin, or serrated spool kind of T-pin in 2. A very deep spool up top. We have a serrated and a little T-pin on the top of that too. And then we have a serrated spool up on top in 3. And we have this pin and pin, which is serrated. You can see that it's got some serrations on it. For a key pin in 4, and a spool up top for the driver. Then we have a serrated, another T-pin here in 5, and we have a very long serrated driver up on top. Then we have a serrated spool in the bottom of 6, and kind of like a double spool, very small, well, not that small, but another T-pin on top. And all copper springs. Alright, sweet. Another lock by Den Brass. Alright guys, well, there you go. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Oh, and one more thing. Well, after I get up this morning, I will be picking the winner for the Valentine's subscriber appreciation giveaway. So that'll be coming out about 3 in the afternoon today. Alright guys, be good. Thanks. Bye.